Hey, this is Nick, and today I want to show you the first version of my brand new college football bowl pick'em manager spreadsheet. So just like earlier this year when I redid my Super Bowl square spreadsheet where there's 54 different ways to play contained within one sheet, I wanted to do the same thing for my bowl manager and have multiple ways to play included in one spreadsheet. So today I'm going to show you the first test version of this and show you how it works. So here I have the spreadsheet with the instruction page. So it shows you here's the 3 ways to play. Number 1 is right or wrong, where every game is the same value. So you either get a point for getting it right or nothing for if it's wrong. Next one is it's the same thing except you can give different point values to different games. So if you want to make the playoff games worth more points, like 2 points, and the national championship game with more, you can do that. So here I'll show you these. So if you want to do just standard, you get it right or you get it wrong, you would make every game worth 1 point, which is this column. And then for the second version of the game, like you can change the point values. So like here's the playoff games worth 2 points instead of 1, national championship 6 instead of 1. So every player would get the same amount of points for every game. And so that's exactly what I've had in previous versions of the sheet. If you've used this before, you'll recognize it. I have all the bowl games here, including their location and logo, date, time, TV network, then all the teams, their helmets, what's having an issue with the helmet's not showing up, but that should be fixed now, and all the teams' records. And so then when the game is played, you just choose from the drop down which team wins. If you want to do manual entry, you just type your name here. These are your drop downs. Pick the team so you can see it uses conditional formatting. You get the game right or wrong. And then it adds up your score. So you can see number of players right now is 1. I have this regular scoreboard over here. So what's new this year is confidence picks. So I know I've had a lot of people email me over the years and wanted to play like this, where each player basically bets points on each game of how confident they are that their choice is correct. So there's 43 bowl games. So you can give each game, you basically rank them 1 to 43. You can only use each value 1 time. So if you bet 43 points on a game and you get it right, you get 43 points. So the one with the most points wins. So I wanted to incorporate that into this sheet so that you could switch in between the 2 versions. So one thing, if you're going to use the sheet, you need to enable macros. So that's what these use. So here's a quick example. Scroll to the bottom, click the button, scroll to the top. If you want to see how these work, you can, of course, just go to View Macros. Then you can go and examine all the codes there. Same with if you want to see how the conditional formatting works, how it changes colors, that's called conditional formatting. Go under the Manage Rules, and you can see how those all work. So to do the confidence picks, I have a single player entry form. So if you're the pool manager, this is the sheet that you would distribute to everyone. If you don't want to do confidence picks, you could just hide this column. But to show you the picks, we're going to show that. So the first thing the player would do, enter their name here, and then make all their selections using the drop-down menus. So just like normal. So then confidence picks is like I was saying. You give each game a score of 1 to 43, 43 being the most. So if I'm least confident about this game, I'll only give it 1 point. So now when you go to the next one, you'll see 1 is missing, because you can only use each value only 1 time. So you go through everyone, and the maximum number of points you can, if you got every single game right, you would get 946 points. So you can see here, I will check these are red. They're saying it's not complete yet. I have a version over here that has been completed, so I filled all these out. There's another check. You can see 946. So I just want this one down. My name in. So you can see here, picks complete, confidence picks complete. So this is ready to import. So I'll save that. I'll come back over to Bowl Manager. And let's do import one player's picks. So I hit import, and here it is. It automatically brings in all my picks and the confidence numbers. But the leaderboard's still showing the regular one, so that's why I have these buttons here where you can toggle back and forth between the versions you want to play. So if you're doing the confidence picks, you need to hit this one, so that shows these. And then if you go to leaderboard now, it's showing the confident pick leaderboard. And if you want to go back to regular play, you'll notice it hid the points per game because that doesn't matter for confidence picks. So I hit regular play, it'll hide confidence picks, point values, and then I'll show this column again, and the leaderboard will change back to the regular scoreboard. So you can toggle back and forth between which one you want to play. So this guy never ranked his all the way. Let's change his name to Fred. So we go back here. Bugs and things to work out. So there's the scoreboard showing Fred picked 2 correctly, Nick W picked 1 correctly. Fred has these 2. W got the 1. Looks like the conditional formatting's not working, so I'll have to fix that. But so there you can see how there is now multiple ways to play college football bowl pick'em inside this one spreadsheet. So again, this is still kind of a work in progress. I will include the download link in the description below. And please check it out, try it out. If you see any issues, let me know. And if you have any suggestions, I'm always open to ways to improve the spreadsheet. So thanks for watching.